2018 Parade of Homes. Stephen Hayes custom split ranch situated on 1 acre. Magnificent details and craftsmanship with parade details throughout. Gorgeous light-filled open floor plan. Stunning first floor owner suite with luxury bath and LG walk-in closet and tiled shower. Chef's kitchen west/42 cust cab, granite, SS appliances and hardwoods through main live area. 2 additional LG first floor bedrooms. Huge family room with custom fireplace and vaulted ceiling. Huge bonus room and addl bath on second. Rear cove porch. Plenty of open space and access to pond.